A brief demonstration of how to do web scraping in Power BI. So come to a site called Stooks.com and I tell it to give me the data for IBM, International Business Machines. Okay, then I come up to the top here and I copy the link. Select Bank Report. Over here, select Web. Enter a web URL. So you see it says IBM US. That means that tells us that this is a US stock, IBM International Business Machines. Click OK. Then you have to come down through this list because basically a table is like every single object on that page is a table. So you have to come down here until you find our data. And there it is. So let's select 24. Let's transform data. And there's our data. So let's just do a close and apply. This is going to take a moment to import the data. There's the table. There's our prices. Let's create a line plot. So let's put date on the x-axis. And let's put close on the y-axis. Now this doesn't make any sense to me, but well, there you have it. A very quick plot. Okay, this says sum of close. We'll do a sum. No calculation. Of course, this shouldn't make any difference, right? Because there's only one day per date. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now here's our plot of IBM closing stock prices. That's it. That's how easy it is to do web scraping with Power BI.